I'm Mark Gatpandan, running for the next terminal's batch representative. So I understand the batch rep position entails a big responsibility. That's why it took me 1 week before regular deadline, 1 week after the regular deadline to find my candidacy. Fear indeed, but I still decided to run because I realized that what more is the best way to spend my last year in college than to serve my batch. The batch whom I've learned to love and who made my best memories in college. Bakbakan practices, cheer dance, binibini BA, batch bandings, and even the pressures and thrill of every exam. I know that I'm ready again to step up and make an impact to them. This time to lead and represent my batch, implement a strong support system, and organize projects which will make our terminist life fruitful and exciting. Kaya for ACAD support, G na G ako dyan. Next year will be a challenging year, so I'll make sure that every termie is furnished with resources needed to conquer all the challenges of the final year. For more batch bondings, G na G pa din ako dyan. Expect more engaging, more exciting termist events next year to bring the batch even closer together. Last, for securing the future, G na G pa din ako dyan. As our ultimate year, there will be initiatives such as organized board review applications and career mentoring sessions to assist every batch member in making his or her own successful career path. So batchmates, go for gold. Go for a fun and fruitful terminal life. Go for Mark Gatpandan, your next terminal's batch representative. Dahil ang terminals magiging G na G with Mark G. Thank you.